You ever go outside and look at your vehicle and think to myself, what could I do just for a couple of bucks to make it look better? Well, I got the perfect thing for you. Tint your yellow lights, your tail lights, your headlights, and your marker lights. And I promise you, your car is going to look different. And for only 25 bucks, I got enough tint to tint the whole car. Come with me, check out this playlist right here, watch this video, and we're gonna change your car.
So now we're going to go ahead and do the blinker light. This is a blinker light for an E46 BMW that I'm building, but any blinker light or any small marker light that you have like this, you're gonna be able to wrap the same way. So we're just gonna take a little piece of scrap wrap, and you can see that this is the premium. This is made by Vivid. And just peel the back off. And try not to touch it because you don't want to get dirt or anything on there. Then we're going to place this right in the middle. Like that. And try to get all the air out of it, just, you know, without even doing anything. So we're just kind of, you know, giving it a little massage, seeing about where we're going to be at. You know. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and heat it. So we're going to pull the lip up. And because we heated it, it'll expand. So then we just push it around the circle here, you know? So as we heat it, it gets a shape. So now it's gonna bend all around here. You see the wrinkles are down here past it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that cool down so it retains its shape while we work on this side. And do the same thing again. I'm gonna do the same thing. Notice that I'm pulling it from the sides. I'm stretching it out as I'm doing it. I'm not just. Okay. Oh, it's looking great. It's looking great. So you see how it's forming around the light? It's forming around the light, and then the wrinkles are down here past the light. So we're gonna heat this side up a little bit. We're gonna pull this side up and heat it so it'll shrink in and then wrap it around again. You gotta do a couple adjustments and it'll look. Thought there was a piece of dirt right there, but the light splits. You gotta watch. Alright. So let's hit this top piece again. There's a bump on the light here as well. That's not a bubble, there's an actual marker on the light. So I don't want you guys to think that. If you do get a bubble, then you can just take a needle and poke the bubble and then heat it up and push it down. That'll also get it out. So now that I have it basically all around, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess off now. Cut this side. So we have these little flanges now. So I'm just gonna heat those again. Kind of fold them in. Keep forming it. And there it is, beautiful. Makes a beautiful circle. No lines. You can barely see anything. Anything that's like right here on the tip, you're never gonna see any of that because the light pushes down in. You know? So we're gonna finish this other side the same way. And there it is, perfectly round. No cuts, no bubbles, no anything, and it's as black as can be. I mean, it's all, you can put it right in. I got all the excess cut off. I mean, it looks great. So when it was hot, I used my finger to push down so it would get like a molding. But you see how it looks now? So looks pretty good, huh? All right, and for the last piece, we are going to wrap this just regular reflector. This is a marker or reflector. This goes into the bumper of my E46. So I want to wrap this too as well, just with a little scrap piece here. So I find a piece of scrap and then I try to, let's see what's the best. Probably this way, like this. Okay, so we're gonna have to do the same thing we always do. We're gonna have to burn the end.
Put the end up here.
So we can get that pullover. No. So I'm gonna cut this. This seems, there's a lot over here, and I don't know if I'll be able to get a nice pull. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this excess off. And we're gonna just pull this down again and give it a little heat. I'm gonna do the pull and wrap, pull it, and wrap it over. All right, and there it is. There it is. Oh man, looks great. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the excess off. The excess. We're just going to heat it again to make sure it's secure. That's it. How she look? I mean, I just did it in front of you. We went from this to this, you know? It looks perfect, right? Oops, looks way different.
So if you want to save a couple of bucks and do your own lights, tint your own lights and learn how to do it like a professional, I mean, these look, there's no blemishes, there's no scratches, there's no anything in these. It makes a huge difference on your vehicle, especially if you're gonna resell your vehicle to do like a couple of little add-ons like this. I can teach you how to do it. If you have any kind of a comment, a question, or anything, please leave that down below. If you want, I have a lot of headlights and taillights for all the cars that I've worked on. So if you want me to do a set, leave the comment down below and I'll do a set. And even if you're local, you can bring me your headlights down and I'll do them on video with you. So I can show that this is so easy that I can actually teach someone. I'll do one and then you do one on video, and let's show people how easy it is to work together. Thanks for coming to Disturbing Kreationz. We love to make things beautiful and disturbing. We're out.